You are doing everything alone. Nobody understand you. Your husband is around you, but he is not able to understand what you really wants. He is around you, but is not helping you to balance your works. He is around you, but not helping you to get relief in your daily life. And you are getting overwhelmed day by day, becoming so alone day by day, and thinking how long it will go like this, right? Dear, here I want to say you one thing. Are you understanding yourself? Really? Are you expressing yourself? Are you really seeking for help from the outside world? I think no. Hi, I am Arpita Bhattacharya, Emotional Freedom Coach. Today, in this video, I am going to help you how to seek help from outside to give yourself that relief and how to work with your energy to rebuild, to reconnect with your relationships. Yes, so it is your internal energy. Those are creating the situations like this right now. Yes, you heard it right. It is your internal energy that is making you overwhelmed. It is your internal energy which is attracting those situations where you are thinking yourself you are alone. Yes, dear. The fact is, the world you are creating, it is coming from your inner self. Yes, your inner energy is reflecting in your outer world. All the people surrounding you is the reflection of your inner vibration. So, it is so simple to change your relationships from not understanding relationships to understanding loving relationships is the simple way to work on your energy and frequency. Yes, of course, I am giving you the simple steps to do that. First of all, let's understand what is happening to your relationships and actually how your energy is working behind this situation. Your husband is around you, he is loving, caring, everything is perfect with him, but still you find yourself alone because he is not helping you. It is not because he doesn't want to help you, it is only because he is not understanding what kind of help you really need from him. Yes, dear, because you have created a shield around you with your energy, with the emotion you are carrying inside you, the emotion that is loneliness. Yes, actually, if you go back to your memory lane, you will find yourself having all kind of emotions like feeling lonely, feeling alone. Still, there were people in your life. Actually, you are not able to seek help from outside from your childhood days. Actually, you are comfortable to do your work by yourself. Someone if comes to you and say, okay, let's help me to allow me to help you. You say that person, no, it's okay. I will do it by myself. It is not because of you want to show that you can do it by yourself. It is only because of you don't want to disturb that person because of you, right? It is you have blocked the love coming in your life. Yes, you have created a wall between that person and you. Do you know that person? Who is that person? The form of energy, universe. Yes, at the energy level, we all are universe. We all are co-creator. We all are created by universe. So we all are universe. At the energy level, we all are one. So whenever you are blocking help from that person, You are blocking universal love to come in your life effortlessly. Now, you are not doing this for 1 day, 2 day, 1 month, 2 month, 1 year, 2 year. You are doing this for long, long times. Actually, you feel yourself not so worthy. Because of that, you think uh, you don't want to disturb anyone for you. Yes, and that is why constantly you are creating those situations where you have to perform alone, because you are attracting those kind of situations to work alone. Universe is there to help you, but you are blocking. You are not blocking. Your past pattern is blocking. So clear? Now, nowadays, right now in your life, what is going on? Your husband, he is also the part of universe. And as you have the pattern to block the universal love, the universal help, so here, in spite of having the loving husband, caring husband, still your energy is blocking the help, the love, the care, the support to come to you. How? Situations. Your internal energy is creating such consequences in your life. Those are proving that you are your that those are proving that your husband is not helping you, and you are thinking, oh, I'm still alone. Oh, I have to do everything alone. Yes, here in that case, actually, your husband is helpless. He have to nothing. He have to do nothing. But here, you can change this relationship into a loving, helping, caring relationship. You can rebuild it by changing your frequency. Yes. So, how to do that? So simple. First, allow yourself to think you are worthy. You deserve love, you deserve help, you deserve care. Allow yourself to feel these. To do that, what you have to do? Every day, whenever you are waking up from the bed, say to yourself, thank you, you are loving, you are worthy. Thank you, you are loving, you are worthy. You are loving, you are worthy. Say it to yourself 5 times whenever you are waking up from the bed. Step number 2, what to do? Express yourself. Instead of suppressing your emotions, go to your husband and say to your husband, you need his help. Don't expect he will say, don't wait for that moment when he will ask you for help. No, you go and express you need his help to do the things to be done. And step number 3, smile. Allow yourself to flow with the universal force. Whatever you are happening in your life, in your relationships, instead of getting overwhelmed, instead of feeling alone, say to universe, thank you for everything. Thank you for every love, all kind of love coming from everywhere. Thank you, universe, for receiving the love from everywhere. I am worthy, I am loving, I am love worthy. Okay? So just do that and see the difference in your life. And oh, just a second. Before tonight, before going to bed, of course, go to your husband and express your love. No matter what the situation is going on right now, just express to your husband you need his help. Yes. Don't think how he takes your words, how he reacts. Don't think about all the things. It is leave everything on universe. Surrender. You just do your part. You say and ask his help. Okay? So, just do that and please share with me how you feel, how kind of result you are getting. in the comment section of this video. I'm waiting to read your comments. And if you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family who needs it. Yes. And if you are new in my channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye. Stay happy, stay loving.